Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show y'all how I did these pink and black braids with these beads on the end. And yeah. So y'all, I already started parting my hair and I'm just showing y'all that I do the braids in like a U shape, like a upside down U shape around my head. In my first row I got 4 braids, and then right here I'm showing y'all how I put the next braid in between the part, because you don't just want empty space throughout your parts. So you want to make sure your braids are falling in between your parts. And I'm using the even edge control. This only for my edges, and then I use the jam for braiding the rest of my hair.
Patience ain't no virtue with you. I don't waste it plenty time pacing around, hate this cool. You with bitches on the side and let my mind wander too. You relentless nigga, I don't need brand nigga. Talk to me like I'm waiting for you to come lie to me. On my days ain't just hurt me, I can't compete. Still on the way, I lay awake if you not around me. I'm so on you, still go for you. Needing you to talk to me in your love language. Show me, yeah, how to connect to you. Help me understand how you speak your love language. Bad as I wanna be yours, I can get with your program. Section like a slow jam. Stick around cause I want to. Bad as I wanna keep focused. You remind me I'm imperfect and it sucks to admit. Nobody put that purpose in me like you do. Still, nobody get that work about me like you do. Nobody get the truth about me quite like you. You're the definition of my right hand and my mind riding backseat, but you leading me. Talk to me in your love language. Show me, yeah, how to connect to you. Help me understand how you speak.
Okay, y'all, so after you pull the hair through, you just want to make sure that both sides are even. And I'm about to show y'all that in a second. And I'm finna show y'all how I tuck my hair, y'all. I didn't do the best at this, but because this is my first time actually trying to tuck my hair since I got color hair. But you pretty much want to pull one piece of hair from each side to go with that braid in the middle. And pretty much you just want to keep the hair like encapsulated inside of the hair. So think of like a stuffed chicken breast or something. I'm trying to give y'all an example. Like you put cream cheese or something in your chicken breast. You want to keep it in the middle. So just keep your real hair in the middle of the pieces of hair. I hope that was a good example, y'all. I really don't know how to explain it.
Patience ain't no virtue with you. I don't waste it plenty time pacing around, hate this cool. You with bitches on the side and let my mind wander too. You relentless nigga, I don't need brand nigga. Talk to me like I'm waiting for you to come lie to me. On my days ain't just hurt me, I can't compete. Still on the way, I lay awake if you not around me. I'm so on you, still go for you. Needing you to talk to me in your love language. Show me, yeah, how to connect to you. Help me understand how you speak your love language. Bad as I wanna be yours, I can get with your program. Section like a slow jam. Stick around cause I want to. Bad as I wanna keep focused. You remind me I'm imperfect and it sucks to admit. Nobody put that purpose in me like you do. Still, nobody get that work about me like you do. Nobody get the truth about me quite like you. You're the definition of my right hand and my mind riding backseat, but you leading me. Talk to me in your love language. Show me, yeah, how to connect to you. Help me understand how you speak. Patience ain't no virtue with you. I don't waste it plenty time pacing around, hate this cool. You with bitches on the side and let my mind wander too. You relentless nigga, I don't need brand nigga. Talk to me like I'm waiting for you to come lie to me. On my days ain't just hurt me, I can't compete. Still on the way, I lay awake if you not around me. I'm so on you, still go for you. Needing you to talk to me in your love language. Show me, yeah, how to connect to you. Help me understand how you speak your love language.
Okay, y'all, so to seal the beads or whatever, I just pull a piece of hair up on the last bead like that, and then I take a rubber band and I just wrap it around. And then after that, you can just cut off like the little extra piece of hair that's left behind.
Bad as I wanna be yours, I can get with your program. Section like a slow jam. Stick around cause I want to. Bad as I wanna keep focused. You remind me I'm imperfect and it sucks to admit. Nobody put that purpose in me like you do. Still, nobody get that work about me like you do. Nobody get the truth about me quite like you. You're the definition of my right hand and my mind riding backseat. But you lead me, talk to me in your love language. Show me